Now we will do question number 9. So question number 9 says that add the product of 3a minus 4b and 3a square plus 2b square to the product of these two brackets. So what does it means? कि इन दोनों brackets को multiply करो और इन दोनों ब्रैकेट्स को भी मल्टीप्लाई करो और इन दोनों के आंसर जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा उसमें इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट ऐड कर दो. सो इट सिंपली मीन्स कि हम इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे और इनके आंसर में इनका आंसर ऐड कर देंगे. राइट? दिस इज व्हाट दे आर सेइंग इन द क्वेश्चन. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. पहले हम फर्स्ट टू ब्रैकेट्स का प्रोडक्ट निकाल लेते हैं. 3a minus 4b into 3a square plus 2b square. So let us multiply. You know क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट की फर्स्ट टर्म उसके साथ सेकेंड ब्रैकेट, फिर फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट की सेकेंड टर्म विद इट्स साइन -4b 3a square plus 2b square. Right? Now let us multiply. So 3 into 3 is 9. पॉजिटिव ही आएगा क्योंकि प्लस प्लस है दोनों. a into a square is a cube. Then plus 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 3 2s are 6. a into b square is ab square. Right? Then minus 4b into 3a square. So minus plus is minus. 4 3s are 12. b into a square is ba square. Right? And then minus plus is minus. 4 2s are 8. b into b square is b cube. So it is minus 8b cube. Clear? So this is the product of first two brackets. Now we will find the product of these two brackets. So now 5a square plus b square multiplied with 7a minus 3b. So let us multiply. क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट की फर्स्ट टर्म 5a square और इसके साथ सेकेंड ब्रैकेट 7a minus 3b. फिर फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट की सेकेंड टर्म विद इट्स साइन प्लस b square 7a minus 3b. Now let us multiply. 5 into 7 35. a square into a cube. Right? पॉजिटिव ही आएगा क्योंकि प्लस प्लस इज प्लस. Now plus minus minus. 5 3s are 15. a square into b is a square b. Right? Now I'll multiply with b square. So plus plus is plus. b square into 7a is 7ab square. And then plus minus is minus. And b square into minus 3b. Minus तो लगा ही दिए. b square into 3b is 3b cube. Right? तो ये आ गया इन सेकेंड मीन्स इन दोनों ब्रैकेट्स का प्रोडक्ट. अब ये फर्स्ट टू ब्रैकेट्स का प्रोडक्ट है और ये लास्ट टू ब्रैकेट्स का प्रोडक्ट है. इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट को क्या करना है? ऐड, बिकॉज दे आर सेइंग ऐड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू ब्रैकेट्स to the product of next two brackets. Right? So let us add now. Okay. So first two brackets का product क्या आया था? ये. So let us write. Now we will add the products. So let us add 9a cube plus 6ab square minus 12ba square minus 8b cube plus. Why plus? Because we have to add. So plus 35a cube minus 15a square b plus 7ab square minus 3b cube, right? So let us see the like terms and add or subtract according to the question. So this is 9a cube. So here we have 9a cube. Here we have 35a cube. That's it. So these are two like terms. So 9a cube plus 35a cube is 44a cube, right? Then we have 6ab square and its like term is plus 7ab square, right? So 6 plus 7 is 13ab square. Then we have 12ba square and its like term is minus 15a square b. दोनों like हैं because ये b a square है, एक बार b और दो बार a. यहाँ भी दो बार a और एक बार b. They are like terms. So minus 12 minus 15 is minus 27 a square b, right? And now we are left with this minus 8b cube and minus 3b cube. So minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11b cube, right? So this is your answer. Now we will do question number 10. So question number 10 says find the product of this bracket and this bracket. Means you have to multiply these two brackets and these two brackets are both trinomial. So let us multiply. You know how to multiply trinomials. So x square minus 4x minus 5 into 3x cube plus x square plus 1. So what we will do first? We will write first term of the first bracket and with this we will write second bracket. 3x cube plus x square plus 1. Then what we will do next? We will write the second term of the first bracket with its sign. So minus 4x and then we will write this next bracket. 3x cube plus x square. I'm not having enough space so I'm writing plus 1 here only, right? Then our next step will be, we will write the third term of the first bracket with its sign. So minus 5 and then this bracket again. 3x cube plus x square plus 1. And now we will start multiplying. तो कैसे करेंगे? x square into 3x cube. दोनों positive हैं so it will be positive 3x raised to power 5 because 2 यहाँ है और 3 अंदर है तो total 5 you have. Then plus 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 x square into x square is x raised to power 4, right? 2x square नहीं होगा, x square plus x square नहीं कर रहे हैं कि 2x square आ जाएगा. We are multiplying x square into x square, that is x raised to power 4, and then x square into 1, that is x square. 1 से multiply करोगे x square ही रहेगा. Then we will multiply this bracket with minus 4x. So minus plus minus 4x into 3x cube. 4 3s are 12. X into x cube means x raised to power 4. And then minus plus minus 4x into x square, that is 4x cube. And then again minus plus minus 4x into 1 is 4x, right? Now we will multiply this bracket with minus 5. So minus plus is minus 5 3s are 15x cube, and then minus plus is minus 5 into x square is 5x square. Then minus plus is again minus, and 5 into 1 is 5. So we have multiplied all. Now we have to combine the like terms. So let us find the like terms. X raised to power 5 और कहीं भी नहीं है. So it will remain as such, 3x raised to power 5. Next is x raised to power 4. So here it is. Then here it is. Then we don't have. So x raised to power 4 minus 12x raised to power 4. It simply means its coefficient is 1. So it is 1 minus 12. And 1 minus 12 is minus 11. So it is minus 11x raised to power 4. Right? Next we have x square. So we have x square here. And then we have x square here. So it is x square minus 5x square. So x square minus 5x square, it simply means 1 minus 5. And 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So it means you will have minus 4x square. Clear? Next we have, this is done, cube. 4x cube. And its like term is minus 15x cube. So it is minus 4x cube minus 15x cube. So minus 4 minus 15 is minus 19. So minus 19x cube. Right? Then we have this 4x and its like term we don't have. So it is simply minus 4x. And then only this is left, that is minus 5. So this is our answer. Clear?